Hello, my name is Diana Schachtoft. I'm a nurse and I'm 48 years old. I live here in Aalborg and work at the University College Nordland as a researcher. My education is as a nurse and I have worked with both children but also elderly and people with dementia as a nurse. I live in a semi-attached house where I have a very nice neighbor and then I have a small garden. I love to do gardening, and I have a little dog that loves that garden too. So yes, for me, the nature is very, very important. This is where I can really relax and have a good time, where I can just be myself. So I love to walk with the dog in the woods, but also do gardening in my own pace is very important. So for me, nature is a place where I can really just relax and just take care of myself. It's also very important for me to be active in another way than just walking. So for me, dancing is really, really nice. Both standard dancing, belly dance and salsa, where you hear some wonderful music and you feel enjoyment and happiness when you are active. That is more enjoyable for me than going to the gym or going to the fitness to do a lot of weights. So this is really my way of being active.